excited for Easter. I am so excited for Easter. Easter is one of my favorite holidays. So today I have made us a fun activity that has the Easter bunny and some Easter eggs, and it's going to be really fun because we're looking for sight words. And you guys know we have been practicing those sight words the last couple of days. So a lot of the words that are on our worksheet we haven't learned yet, but that's okay because today we're just going to be finding them and counting the number of letters that they have. So I want you to go find your worksheet titled Find and Record Sight Words. Go find this worksheet and then come back and we're going to do it together. All right, ready? Go. I have my Find and Record Sight Word sheet out in front of me. Hopefully you also have yours out in front of you. We are going to find some sight words down here. We have an Easter bunny with an egg and it's a basket of paintbrushes and some more eggs over here. There are some words that are hidden in this picture. So what we're going to do is find the words and then count the number of letters that they have. And then we're going to place them in the right column based on how many letters they have in them. So this column says 3 letters. So if the word has 3 letters, it's going to go here. This column says 4 letters. So if the word has 4 letters, it's going to go here. And this one says 5 letters. So if it has 5 letters, it's going to go here. Okay, so we're starting to look down here at our picture, and we can just pick out any word that we see to be our first one. So I see a word right here in the bunny's ear, and it is, I see L-I-K-E. So that word looks like it has 4 letters in it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write the word like. Even if you can't read that word, it's perfectly fine. You just copy it into the right column. So since I know this is the word like, I'm going to write it into the column that says 4 letters because it has 4 letters in it. All right, so I'm going to come up here and write my word. L-I-K-E. All right, and then I'm actually going to come down and cross that word out. So that way I know that I've already written it up here and I don't go back and try to write it again. All right, now moving on to find another word. Oh, I see a word right under the word I just found. And I'm going to count the number of letters in this word and see if it goes in 3 letters, 4 letters, or 5 letters group. All right, so let's count the letters in this word. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there are 3 letters in that word. That is the word R. So I'm going to place that word in the 3-letter column, which is the very first one, the one that has the number 3. So I'm going to write that word A-R-E in this column. So I wrote the word R for 3 letters, like for 4 letters. All right, I'm going to cross that one out because I'm done with it. And then I'm going to look for another word. And whichever word I find, I'm going to count the number of letters and place it in the right column. So I think I'm going to count the number of letters in this word and see which column it should go under. So count with me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 letters in this word. So I'm going to write that word under the 5-letter column. 5-letter column. So I'm writing U-N-D-E-R. So this is going under the 5-letter column. All right, so now I've written the word under in the 5-letter column. So I'm going to cross that one out so I'm finished with it. All right, friends, I want you to go and finish this page on your own and then come back and we will check our answers. Ready? Go. All right, so we're going to quickly check our answers. In the 3-letter column, you should have the word ate, ran, and was. In the 4-letter column, you should have the word they, that, and into. They all have 4 letters in them. And then lastly, in the 5-letter column, you should have the words there, black, and white. Oh, those are 2 color words. We should recognize those words. And these all have 5 letters in them. Very nice job, friends. And thank you so much for doing some sight word practice with me. I'm so proud of all the hard work we've been doing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.